Alright, hello guys. Kamusta
Hey,
ang
hey,
weekend?
hey! Are
Hi.
kapoy.
Okay,
Ito,
nakapagkape na bang
kapagod.
lahat? Open. Good evening guys and welcome sa ating weekend kapihan and I'm with my friends EJ, Ivy, Nash at meron tayong additional guest right now pero dahil wala pa po tayong budget, libre po muna. And kasama natin ngayon si Penpen at saka si Attorney
Good evening.
Annie.
Good
Yay!
evening.
Welcome guys! Welcome sa
Thank you.
Chikahan.
Okay. So, ang format po ng talk natin ngayon is wala. Usap-usap lang. Uh,
Mm.
Parang wala lang.
Kunyari, nakikichismis ka pero recorded. So, meron naman tayong lawyer so hindi ako kabado sa lahat. Okay.
Anything under the sun.
Yeah. Isa-isahin natin ha. EJ, kamusta?
Ayos lang. Weekend was good and fun. Nag-compete ako this weekend So,
Wow.
sports and stuff. Yeah. Para maol.
Anong competition?
Ano siya, hybrid sport. So,
Mhm.
it's like functional fitness event, mga ganun.
So, hindi lang pala pag-ibig yung pinaglalaban mo, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala eh. Di tayo pinaglaban sa pag-ibig, iba pinaglaban na.
Dito na lang. At
Dito
least may
na lang.
chance pa tayong manalo, dude.
Yeah. Physical pain is better than emotional pain.
Ah,
Yeah, exactly.
Yung,
Ivy, the Jewish
Yeah.
doctor.
Yes, good evening. Okay naman. Productive week and including ang weekend kasi I'm still working.
Why?
ooh,
Meron lang kami sang ginahabol na gina-review. Pero okay naman. Masaya so far and minamahal. So,
Yeah.
yun.
Sana all.
Next, si
Related.
Eto ang gusto naming tanungin. Attorney Annie. Kamusta ang weekend?
Weekend, tulog.
Binawi.
sana all.
Sana.
Sana all.
Tulog. Kasi yung break, yung 5 days na work days is puro utak ang gamit. So nakaka-drain.
Oo.
For the information of
So, cool
everyone,
down.
attorney, ano yung saan ka connected?
Sa DNR, Region 12. Yes. Environmental lawyer tayo.
Wow.
Yun.
Nice.
Pinaglalaban ng kalikasan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ipaglalaban ka rin.
Sana.
Yun.
It's nice.
Sana may paglaban. Charot.
Yeah.
Magkaroon ng courage.
Courage. Si attorney ba ay single o something?
Something.
Single na may crush.
Yun.
Ganun lang dapat.
Yun.
Katawa si kuya.
Single taken or pa-crush-crush lang
Nice
muna.
answer.
Crush.
Safe talaga
Diba?
mag-answer yung mga lawyer, no? Ay, wala kang makukuha.
Calculated.
At least single, di ba?
Yeah.
Masaya pa rin.
At least masaya.
Cool.
Next, Pen.
Ay, ito, same with EJ. Kakatapos lang din ng competition. Ang amin naman is trail run. Mountain kwan siya. Halong road run and mountain climb. So, kaya sa tinawag na trail run.
Nice.
So ano yan? May winner, may loser, o first, second, third?
Ang tanging loser lang na mangyayari dyan is magkakaroon ng DNF, did not finish in a certain time. So, kailangan maka-finish ka. Doesn't matter na mabagal ka or mabilis. As long as matapos mo yung takbuhan.
Kami tapos na kami. Kaya finish na.
Tapos na. Pero ano siya, Pen? Ayun. Kamusta ang event? Kung first time ko nabatian sa South Coast sa aton.
Yes, oo. Actually, ngayon lang din lumalabas yung mga trail run event. Maganda siya. Especially marami kang makilalang mga enthusiast when it comes sa sports na yan. And then first time ko din sumali. So hindi ko talaga Hindi talaga ako
Yes.
bumbelo kasi alam ko yung dangers niya eh. If magpo-full out ka, yung all out. Kuwan lang, testing waters. So,
Oh.
yun.
Mahirap naman to kasi pag ibigay mo lahat, no?
Oo nga,
Oo.
tama.
Di ba, Chong?
Oo,
EJ.
mahirap na rin. Mahirap ma-fall na bigla-bigla.
Ah. Yung ba binigay mo na lahat?
Crush lang.
Yeah,
Wala eh.
listen to the lawyer. Yeah.
Kaya crush lang dapat.
Crush lang.
Walang fall. Crush
Walang
lang.
fall. Alright, so we're happy to have you guys and part of our icebreaker, so may hinanda si Ivy na na game. So Ivy, paki-explain.
Okay, so the mechanics. Whoa! I have here cards, a collection of questions for deeper discussions. Okay lang man ang ilang mga questions. So what we're gonna do, since we're online, you'll have to give me a number from 1 to 10 lang siguro. And then, ang number na ihatag nyo is, amo to ako nga i-open. Tapos, each of us will ask para at least we can hear what our thoughts, and at least people will hear also na kahit na we're that close friends, we have differences and we always agree to disagree. Parang ganun.
Pero before we start, hindi to siya taken for granted. Nash, kamusta?
Muntik na
Muntik na
makalimutan.
Pati ka naman dito.
Nash, kamusta, Nash?
Nash, kaya mo yan.
Naka-mute.
Nakamute ata eh.
Nagtampo na si Nash.
Nakatampo na.
Nagluod.
Nasa isang bahay lang po kami.
Uy. Magkatabi ba?
Enough.
Okay na,
Yun.
Nash. Yun.
Sa akin lang naman buong weekend ko nagkuhan lang ako ng self-reflection sa lahat ng mga nangyari from law school to love life.
Yun.
Deep.
Kailangan
your-
wide changes.
Based on your self-reflection, Nas, ano yung mga na-realize mo?
Kung halimbawa sa law school,
Mm.
kailangan yung decision mo hindi nanggaling sa ibang tao kundi sa sarili mo dapat.
Yun.
Tapos pagdating sa pag-ibig naman tayo, like sabi ni Ivy last time, dapat intentional. Dapat kausapin mo talaga yung girl na ikaw dapat magligaw ka talaga. Mag-lead. Like sabi ni EJ na kailangan tayo talaga mga lalaki ang mag-lead, hindi ang babae, hindi
Yes,
hindi
sir.
tayo dapat yung mag-antay. Dapat tayo yung mag-umpisa.
Any objections, attorney?
None, Your Honor.
Yun.
Crush
So guys,
lang.
recap lang.
Crush lang muna.
Crush lang. Walang mafo-fall. Ang ma-fall, talo. As a recap, guys, yun yung napag-usapan namin last week. Hindi selfish yung unahin mo din yung sarili mo. And
Tama.
when you're into whatever law school ba yan or kahit anong career sa life, you should know your why. Kasi if you know your why daw, the how, the what, anything will follow. So, alright, balik na tayo sa games. Go, Ives.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. I-explain ko ulit. Basta lang, give me number from 1 to 10 or between 1 to 10. And then, i-pick ko ang card and then each of us will answer.
Unahin natin si Nash.
Spontaneous. Okay, Nash, give me a number.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ang iyong kapalaran ay, chared. Ari, wala, ang walang gyapon.
Palitan mo.
Oh.
Next.
The next
Ano?
card.
Number 7, mana.
Next number, Nash.
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Ay,
Amo lang Japon.
Among gyapon, base pare-pareho ang question sinatanan.
Sige, basahin mo.
kaya rin na. Saan ko na ha.
Basahin mo lang.
When did you first learn about race, RACE, and how did that change the way you saw people? Again,
Nash.
ha. When did you first learn about race, RACE, and how did that change the way you saw people? Yep.
Wow, very serious question.
Malalim.
Yung mga
Maraming
medyo
klase
serious
ng
na rin.
race. There's a
Race.
race na tao,
Oh,
Oh,
sige.
yung race, yung
may
Yeah.
race
humanity.
na karera, at saka may race na sa mga career. So,
Race siya nga ng ano ba ng
Gulong.
Humanity.
lahi.
Yeah, lahi.
lahi.
I think gina-target siya is ano sa racism na issue, no?
Yep.
Hmm.
Take it away.
Mahirap sila.
Weird, no? Pero pwede. Sige, go.
Oo, paisip ka ba? Race.
When did you first learn daw? Siguro, kailan ba natin talagang naintindihan yon? And how did that change the way you saw people?
Usually wala pa ako na kung foreigner man lang, few people pa lang ang na-meet ko from let's say from Ubisoft Philippines. Yung nag-interview sa akin, isang European, alam mo yun? Pag-interview niya sa'yo, ang ganda ng mata niya.
Yes.
So,
Oh.
kung patitig ka doon. Pero hindi yan ang answer ko.
What did you learn about it?
Yeah, what did you learn?
How did that change the way you saw people?
Yes.
Feeling ko by learning means, ano ba, parang kailan good natin talagang naintindihan yung differences ng bawat lahi? Tapos, how did that change the way we see people?
Sa akin hindi doon yung sa last na sinabi ko hindi. Sa akin kasi mahilig ako mag-jump from forum to forum back then nung usong-uso talaga yung internet, so naghanap talaga ako ng mga usapan online along with other people from the internet. So kadalasan yan hindi yan Pinoy, so kadalasan mga English speakers. There was a time na nagkaroon nung 7-Eleven. Hindi yung
9/11.
9/11 7-Eleven.
At dito nagkaroon ng 7-Eleven sa Marvel. Anong year
Ay,
yun?
naisip ko, sano kaya ang first na establish ang 7-Eleven sa Philippines?
9/11.
Sorry.
Go.
Okay. Go.
Yung kasagsagan ng 9/11, syempre maraming haters noon against sa mga Muslim, so nagkaroon ng Islamophobia that time. So may nakita akong usapan ng between ng mga Muslims and Americans, so naipit ako sa gitna. Ikaw na Asian na wala kang paki sa mundo, tapos pero may paki ka sa Islam. So doon yung mga Islamophobic, tinry mo sila na subukan ipaintindi sa kanila na ang Islam hindi siya ganon. Hindi siya about terrorism, hindi siya about sa mamamatay tao, mga ganon. So, yun ang ginatry ko i-express. And then, there's another side, yung sa Islamic mismo, sa mga yung nasalanta ng gera ng mga Americans. So meron doon, nakalimutan ko kung anong national siya. Basta ang sabi niya sa akin, yung ginagawa ko is defeatist mindset. I have the defeatist mindset. Kung bakit daw ako nakikampi sa Americans when actually it's not, kasi yung sinasabi ko explanation ng Islamic is kumbaga kapag yung para sa akin kapag ang you have a good heart, yung explanation mo is good, yun ang para sa akin. Kaso lang kasi kung in mo yung pinanggalingan nung Arabo na yon or Middle Eastern man, syempre yung lugar niya nasira ng dahil sa gera. So talagang ma-distort talaga yung buhay niya, yung pagtingin niya sa life niya na it is, kumbaga it is America's problem, parang ganun. So yun doon talaga na nag-change yung yung pananaw ko sa mga kapag nadaanan ng gera, mga ganun. Kahit hindi man kasalanan ng most Americans, makita niya talaga yun na kasalanan ng Amerika kasi yun, ng Amerika nagsira sa kanilang bansa. So yun sa akin.
Situations change people daw mo na.
Oo,
Yes.
daman na.
And
Yes.
sometimes it gives the hatred kasi will direct to a certain group of people which hindi naman natin sila mabiblame. And it's a good thing din kasi na you now understand the point of view of each person. So akala natin parang mali yung pananaw nila, but the more we understand them, the more we know ano yung reason nila, why do they hate other people, why do they hate certain things. Kaya dito sa atin, sa grupo natin, wala po tayong awayan, love lang.
Love lang.
Ah,
As said by Mr. Foxy.
uh,
Love lang.
Thanks Nash.
No, yeah,
Let's
welcome.
go to
Yun.
Pen, give us a number.
Okay. Number? Or I have to answer the same question?
Same question.
Same question. Sige.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since sa race, mostly 'di ba, ang madalas tinatamaan yung either sa mga Muslims or mga black. So let's tackle about black. Ako nung bata pa ako, hindi talaga ako sensitive sa mga ganyan. Like naglalaro kami ng mga kaibigan ko. Siyempre, tutuyaan kami ng, uy, negro, ganyan. So, hindi talaga, wala talagang sensitivity. Oo. So, since nung nag-high school na, so, medyo elementary grade 6, medyo nagkaroon ako ng sensitive sa ganyang side. Kasi, meron akong napanood dati na film niya is Glory. 1989 film siya. It's all about American Civil War noong 1800 ba yan? Something like that.
1800s.
Ang kanilang regiment is 54th Massachusetts Volunteer Infantry. Lahat sila mga black American. First time ginawa ng US na gumamit ng black people, ng colored people. So yun, ang kanilang main purpose is to fight for their freedom. Nakaka-inspire. Maganda yung movie, yung film na yun. Pinangungunahan ni Matthew Broderick. Siya yung based on true story niya siya.
Yes.
So ayun, nagkaroon ako ng parang something respect sa mga ganun, sa mga colored black people.
Tapos grabe pa naman sundog naman kay Pen nga.
But I love being black.
Pa.
I love being black. Actually, if ever man, gusto ko maging black talaga. Yun talaga eh. Para sa akin, sila yung pinaka-supreme na human. Parang they have the DNA, the genetics, gifted sila, athletic, ganyan.
Yeah, according to physicist ba yun or scientist Neil deGrasse Tyson, yun ba yung pag-pronounce ng name niya? Sorry Africa has the most, has the most unique genes. If you want to find the fastest runner, you find it in Africa. Yung pinaka mataas yung IQ, you can find it in Africa. Lahat nandun. So there's no reason to judge by the color.
Kaya embrace being black, bro.
Tsaka pasin ko sa Nigeria, parang second language nila yung English, no?
Yeah. Mga bright man sila.
So we should judge a person by their capability, not by their color.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yun.
Sige, yun. Next, attorney!
When did I learn about race? Siyempre, nung elementary, meron tayong history subject, di ba? Yung civica. Doon natin na unang nalaman na we came from the Malay race. mga ganong bagay, pero hindi natin we were not that aware na may mga certain tayong actions or words na nasasabi na hindi pala tama, like yung negro, 'di ba? 'Di ba sabi nga ng Black Americans na you should not use that term kung hindi ka belong sa ganong race. So nung high school, syempre merong world history. Tapos meron kaming film viewing dati, yung time ni Adolf Hitler, yung mass genocide, gas chamber, nalaman yung Jews, yung Germans, may rift talaga sila. Pero hindi pa rin ako naging aware na bakit ganon. Kasi yung utak ko that time puro crush, di ba? Puro
Until
makapasa
now.
lang sa school. Until now.
Crush lang.
Basta makapasa lang ng school, ganyan. Mas naging aware ako nung napanood ko yung, nakalimutan ko anong title yun, yung may 3 babae, Black Americans, na naging part ng NASA. Parang numbers man ata yun.
Women, ano yun?
They are engineers.
Yes.
Naging part sila ng NASA. Numbers yun, diba? Ang ganda ng movie, promise. May ibang CR ang people of color, may ibang CR yung whites. Diba, parang discriminating, tapos they are equally intelligent naman as to the whites. Parang doon ako na nag-iba yung perspective ko as to we should really treat each other with respect, regardless of race, regardless of religion. Kasi we'll never know, mas magaling pa sila kaysa sa lahi natin. Mas matalino pa pala sila kaysa sa lahi natin. Parang may matutunan pa pala tayo sa kanila. So we should not discriminate regardless itim man siya or even dito sa Philippines, meron tayong colorism. Diba? Advertisements, no? Puro gluta, Kojic, diba? Ganon. Tapos historically talagang kayumanggi ang mga Pinoy. It's just that society tells us na mas maganda ka kung maputi ka, diba? Pero meron ding yung sinasabi sila na ay gwapa lang na siya tungod kay puti siya. Pag mangitong na siya, pangit na siya. Diba? It's colorism. Ang pangit ng sige tayo sabi na we should respect blah blah blah, but our society here in the Philippines mismo, tayo lang mismo nagsisiraan, 'di ba? Maganda lang siya dahil maputi or dahil chinita siya, 'di ba? Mga ganun. Or sa ibang mga bagay, ay inchik yan siya, hindi yan siya marunong mag-English. Ganun.
Napagamalan na ako niyan.
Kanya sa Philippines, hindi lang tayo aware, nagiging aware lang tayo because of influencers like Ayin Bernos. She's promoting Morena is also beautiful. Naging contestant din siya ng Miss Universe Philippines. So, pero most of the kids nowadays, hindi sila aware. Pero, mas aware sila sa social media. Pero hindi sila aware. Colorism is happening in the Philippines actually. 'Di ba? Minsan sinasabi natin, ay gwapa unta siya pero itom ang siko, itom ang singit. 'Di ba? It's
hindi pantay.
That's colorism.
Yeah. Hindi natin alam na may ganun talaga yung skin color niya or meron siyang tawag nito hyperpigmentation, science, biology, pero you know, parang yung mga commercial natin, kailangan mas maganda, maputi, chinita, kailangan eyeliner ang mga girls para maging chinita, di ba?
Pinilit.
Pinipilit. Tapos, kaya tuloy, tingnan nyo yung cosmetic industry, mas bumuboom. Because of what the society dictates, di ba? Mas maputi, di ba? Yung mga Kojic soaps, Mikat, yung mga lotions na may mga whitening agent, glutathione, yung mga ganyan.
Masyado bang judgmental ang Pinoy sa tingin nyo? May iba dyan?
Yes.
Maka-insert lang ng question.
Yes.
Yes, bakit?
I won't deny it minsan, 'di ba? Yung lalo na pag you are with group of people, you dislike someone. Minsan hindi tayo aware pati color niya, pati race niya. Pinipersonal na natin because we hate that person. 'Di ba?
Ako, agree ako dyan.
Judgmental, uy. Judgmental.
Yeah.
Ako din. Oo.
May kanya-kanya tayong group chat, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
Judgmental. Even sa sarili ko nga minsan. Kaya nga, may gluta din ako.
Yun. Nag-gluta pa pala si attorney. Parang
pero
likas puti.
pero this is not for whitening purposes, for health reasons.
Ayun.
Kami ni Penpen, nagkaroon kami sang acceptance na Hambal namin. Bro, itong taba. Pero hambayan ni Penpen, gwapo ta kay we are black diamonds.
Yes.
Yeah. Rare.
So from a negative standpoint, dala naman siya sa positive standpoint na, okay, let's accept and own this. Yeah.
Yes. Kaya doon nag-change yung mindset ko when it comes to my color kasi minsan natatakot ako magbilad ng araw, mag-beach. Kay mangitom na pod ko, sayang gluta, sayang ang kojic, di ba? But sabi ko, baka mas maganda ako ng morena, di ba? Kaya minsan sinasaway ko yung mga friends ko na they're calling na, uy, gwapa unta na siya kung puti lang, or gwapa unta na siya kung morena lang siya. Sabi ko, huwag kayong ganyan. Yun, it changed my perspective. Na hindi na ako masyadong gumagamit ng mga kojic soap kasi it's in the long run, babawiin yan siya ng body mo, yung kojic. Kasi 'di ba our skin is the big organ of our body.
Yes.
Even yung mga pinaglalagay natin ng mga lotions, ng mga it absorbs. It is being absorbed by our body.
Yes.
So yun.
Yeah. Be confident of your
I'd
color.
rather smell good than being white.
Nice.
Nice.
Cool.
Ivy.
Okay.
Yeah, the question.
Same question.
Of course. First learned about race, tapos understanding it. Connected siya kay attorney. Because there was a time, umpisahan ko siya like my father, kasi siya parang anti-discrimination, advocate siya ng equality, parang ganun siya na person. So at an early age, gina-explain niya na sa akin na parang you should treat people equally. Parang regardless of race, regardless of status sa life, ganyan. So, mapa-question ka kasi 'di ba, like bakit man nila ginatawag na parang why people are discriminating black people or anything na foreign sa kanilang mind, anything na foreign sa kanilang eyes. Pero kasi meron akong nababasa 'di ba na your eyes won't see what your mind doesn't know. So the only solution there is for me to understand. Then here comes college. There was a movie also, the same yun kay Attorney Annie. And then parang international studies ba yata yun na namin subject, related siya doon. And the topic was genocide. And it made me also, parang made me buy books about slavery sa Africa, then ganyan. How did it happen? Parang paano ba yung mga like genocide, yung mga killings, and then what led them there. For me kasi parang ang bottom line doon is discrimination. And then yung discrimination, I had to check kung saan siya nanggagaling. So napupunta siya sa race. Like Pen said, and everybody knows na yung mga black people are being discriminated, diba, sa society, yung sa colorism. It changes your perspective, and at the same time, sa sarili ko, I am excited to meeting new people because it is an avenue for me to understand them more and to embrace their culture. Kasi kasi parang sa akin, ang reflection ko would be like every day kasi like I like to travel because I want to be immersed or mag-engage ako sa kanilang culture, sa na yung whatever that I did not experience sa aking race, sa aking anong kaninang kung Hiligay nun ka or Cebuano ka. Di ba may ara sina anong itawag sina
Tribe.
tribe, di
Tribe.
ba? Kasi
Mm.
oo, di ba even yung tribe mo, yung nationality mo, it would naman answer about sa race, pero it makes me more interested on a person kasi I know for a fact na everybody is unique. Tapos when it comes to race, parang there are things na maganda sobrang sikat sa kanila or like may alam mo yun yung may tradition sila, may custom sila na maganda tapos foreign siya sa'yo. So I want to experience it. I want to learn more about it. And then yes, yung perspective na ginasabi ni Attorney Annie, parang dati kasi I would want also to be yung parang maging fair ang skin, ganyan. Pero I was born morena. So I'm more on nagiging natural na talaga ako and wala akong pake kung anong kulay ng mga tao. And I'm just happy because kaya
Kasi
ko
inibig
siyang
ka na.
Yun na nga eh.
Bahala nung kulay ko, basta inibig ako.
Ito pala, if you will fully understand it, you will also embrace yourself. Like your identity. Like for me, my identity really is hindi man ako fair-skinned. So, hindi ako takot. Like, hindi ako takot mag-swimming, hindi ako takot na wala akong sunblock, yung ganon, because natural lang siya, except for reasons na mataas talaga ang UV. So, that's the time na delikado na siya. So, nagiging carefree good ako when it comes to myself. Like, my body, ako'y magbuhat sa ako ang lawas. Parang ganyan. Kasi, and then, kung hindi ako matangkad, like other people, yung mga ganon. So, I tend to appreciate every, yung uniqueness ng mga tao, yung bawat unique na bagay sa mga tao, mas nagiging appreciative ako. And I have that hunger na to learn about their culture and their race. Ganun.
Thanks, Ives. EJ!
Yun. So, yeah. So, when we say about when did you learn about race? Since, ang answer ko dira is since birth, okay, I've been traveling since I was a child. Yun. Laking abroad. So, the thing is, I think iba gid pag you've been away from your home country a lot. Kay mas maintindihan mo gid ang mga tao. Like, I've met different people from different countries. Iba-iba gid sila. You can't say na, okay, feeling mo dapat, usually ang napansin ko, feeling ko lalo na pag Pinoy ka, it's like, ang first instinct mo gid is, dapat daw Pinoy ni siya makitungo sa akon, which is the wrong way of understanding it. So, dapat, ikaw ang mag-intindi kay hindi mo na home country or hindi mo sila katribo.
When
Ikaw,
you are
dapat,
in Rome, do as the Romans do.
Romans do. Yep. So, the understanding must come from you first. So, yeah, how did that change the way you saw people? So, yun yung nga, basically, gin-summarize ko na lang ang ginhambal ni Ivy, ni Penpen, ni Nash, ni Attorney Annie. Kay, if you meet different people, iba-iba gid sila ugali. And then, it's like, you're trying to understand them, which is good. And you're trying to take their point of view, and then, tira agad mag-happen ng communication between, like, your people and them. Their people and you. Pwedeng ganun din. So, yeah.
It's nice to connect with them in a way na kasi yung nagigets mo yung point of view good nila. So ang common ground nyo is that point of view, understanding your differences.
And actually, sa foreigners, they don't look at your skin type or your race or your tribe or the way you look.
Or the way you speak.
The way you speak, the way you clothe yourself. Wala sila gatulok ang muna. So, ang ilagid kay communication. You communicate with them and then they communicate back at you. Basta nagkaintindihan na ikaw mo.
Maski
Yes.
gani barok imong English, di ba?
Mas
Oh,
judgmental yung
like
Pinoy,
here.
di ba? Nagkamali lang
Mas
yung
just,
Yes.
yeah.
ano mo.
Ako I won't deny. Kay ginastorya ako sa mga tao or sa mga mamit ko in Baroque English. Though maging judgmental man ko ba okay, nakapag-aral naman ako and then that's not the proper way to say English. Pero you have to understand where they come from. Like, nakapag-aral din ba sila? Or is that the way how they speak in their home country? So, like,
Yes.
kailangan mo lang intindihin yun and then mag-Baroque English naman ko. So, yeah. It's fun. So it's like hindi lang serious communication. It's like you're having fun communicating with them. So,
So,
diba?
dapat pati din sa relationship, 'di ba? Dapat may serious communication din tsaka fun
Yes.
communication.
Yes. Amen.
Yes.
Yes.
Two-way
Tama, attorney?
communication.
Yes, dapat
Yes, sir.
nagkakaintindihan.
Nasha, baka mahuli tong kapatid mo.
Binuli ng kapatid. Alright.
May singit lang ako yung sa Glota tayong
Oh,
sa Glota.
Mm.
Ang lalaki, walang pakialam kung puti ka man o morena. Kung gusto ka, regardless of colors. Kasi ang importante yung sa loob at hindi yung panlabas.
yun.
Amen.
Oy, pero
Amen.
aminin, ang unang tinitingnan ng lalaki, physical.
Physical, pero
Teka.
hindi color. Hindi color.
Ang
Pero
sarap ng
hindi
feeling
color.
ng kasamang babae.
Ano, dapat when you love a person, you love him or her for what he is and for what he is not.
Amen.
Charot lang.
Yes.
Yes. Totoo yan.
Boom. Ako
Boom.
Huwag lang
ano,
yung is not yung mga red flags.
red flags. Oh, sige, pag-usapan natin ng mga red flags.
Crazy.
Ito, insert tayo konti. For a guy, kung lalaki ka, anong red flags ng girl? Kung girl ka naman, anong red flags ng lalaki for you? Yung first time mo palang mamit. Nash,
Garilyo.
sigarilyo, okay. Pen,
For me, siguro yung the way she talk to the waiter, ganyan.
yun.
Manners. Yep.
Manners.
It reflects her personality, yung deeper
Yes.
personality niya. Ano.
Mm-mm.
Attorney,
Red flag, same. Dapat, kung red flag sa akin, hindi marunong mag-thank you, hindi marunong mag-excuse me, hindi marunong mag-sorry.
ayun, hindi marunong mag-sorry.
You know,
Yes.
does not own up to his mistakes.
Correct.
It's
Pero pag
deep.
green flag,
A green flag for me, ang nito marespeto talaga.
oh,
Kasi sabi ng guy friends ko, kung hindi mo man lang kayang mahalin yung isang, at least dapat may respeto.
boom.
No.
Thanks. Whoa.
Ivy,
Respect.
Red flag sa physical would be madumi yung ngipin, tsaka madumi yung tenga, madumi yung kuko. Pag sa ugali naman,
Madumi yung kuko.
same
Madumi
kami
din.
as in,
CJ.
madumi din, sorry. Ayoko yung red flag for me, yung mga yung hindi din naga-thank you, hindi naga-excuse me, hindi naga-apologize. Pero red flag din sa akin yung apologetic. Like in every, yung parang kada kilot,
Sorry.
sorry, yung ganon. Ayoko din yon.
It's like,
And then, ayoko din yung yung hindi siya marunong makipag-usap ng maayos sa mga waiter, sa mga guard, mga janitor, janitress, ganyan. So, I tend to observe those. Green flag would be, the opposite of what my red flags are.
Mayroon pala akong red flag when it comes to physical. BO.
oh. Oo nga naman, oh. Oo nga naman.
Mag-mission lang katapat niyan.
Iyo, baho otot?
Pero depende sa sitwasyon kasi baka naman galing siya ng fieldwork tapos pawis na
Okay.
pawis siya.
Oo naman.
Yeah,
Be
yeah.
considerate.
Diba?
Kung kaya naman attorney i-reg zone na, pwede na.
Pero yung BO
Orange
talaga,
zone.
yung polo shirt, kapag ang polo shirt or yung t-shirt is mabaho, meaning hindi marunong maglaba.
Mm.
Yun. Yeah.
Ano
so-
pala yung
tama.
bad breath?
Oh,
Hmm.
oo nga naman.
Yun,
Oo.
isa pa yun.
Mm.
So suggestion
Palagi.
sa mga manliligaw kay Attorney Annie, dapat nalabahan ng
Mabango.
maayos ang polo shirt, ang polo,
Marunong maglaba.
Dapat mabango. Ayoko
Naka-
talaga ng mukhang yagit. No.
naka-cologne.
No, no,
Ano?
no.
Amoy downy.
Amoy daw niya.
Nakalibre na sila ng mga tips. Paano
Ah.
yung mga green flag for her?
Yeah.
Dapat mukhang mabango. Kahit hindi naman
Ayan.
mabango. Yan.
Ah,
Kung pwede lang,
dapat-
wala na lang amoy.
Oo. Totoo. Better.
bigyan niyo po si attorney ng face mask pag manliligaw kayo para safe. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, EJ.
Red flags. Red flags. Manners, kuko. And yung the way the person deals with the elderly. Parang I'm sensitive with the elderly. Ayun, green flags, as usual, the opposite of that.
So you know,
Ay, another green flag sa akin.
Yes, attorney.
Marunong mag-alaga ng nanay.
ayun.
Yun.
Yes, basta
Tama.
Maalaga
parents.
sa nanay.
So,
Yeah.
guys, kung sino man sa inyo ang mabango, marunong maglaba, marunong mag-alaga ng nanay, tawagan niyo po
Comment down
kami.
below.
Comment down below.
We will redirect you to Attorney Annie
Yes.
at the latest.
Hindi lang pa kayo makakakuha ng tamang babae, kundi babaeng laging tama.
Amen.
She can defend
Justified.
herself. She's a lawyer.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yun lang.
Actually same din sa lalaki yung the way how yung babae yung
Oo.
para paano niya i-treat yung parents mo, yung nanay mo.
Parents, yeah.
That's the green
Mm.
flag for you
Lalo
na, Pen.
Yun din, green flag din yun.
Lalo na if ang person or ang lalaki is close to his parents or family, though red flag or green flag din ng kabalo mag-alaga sa parents, siblings, mga mabalala.
So, most of yung common denominator talaga is yung green flag is respect.
Yes.
Yan.
Yes.
Nung ako po ay kinasal, Char,
Nool.
sana
Oo.
sorry guys, inibig.
Aray.
Ayun. Pero
Naglaban.
yung sinabi ng pari sa amin is aside from love, dapat meron ding respect in marriage. So yun. That's why I would agree that's the one of the green flag na hanapin nyo sa kung sino man yung magiging karelasyon nyo sa susunod. Kasi it will be, it will be for, yun nga, mag-promise ka, you will be together forever, no? So, pag wala na yung love, pag wala na yung kilig, the friendship and respect should still be there. Yun.
Yes.
Amen.
Next question!
Wait lang.
Oh, go Nash.
Additional lang. Yung personality ng tao nagsisimula naman kasi yan mabuo sa bahay.
Mm.
So, kung how you respect or how you communicate with your parents and siblings, doon naman yun nabubuo. So, kung halimbawa, if you have a broken family,
Yes.
hiwalay ang parents, or may alitan sa dalawa, syempre ikaw as anak, madadamay ka doon. Yan ang mga
translates.
napansin ko sa mga past people na nagdaan sa akin na they have broken family and stuff. Mag-reflect talaga yan siya sa
Yes.
pagkatao mo.
You are a reflection of your home, actually. May nabasa ko sa from a certain doctor. Sabi niya, red flag doesn't seem so red flag to you if it's normal in your home. So kung yung halimbawa sa bahay niyo yung lalaki, your father, mahilig uminom,
That's already a normal.
do you think it's just normal or nag-aaway sila? I'm not telling masama yung pag-inom ha, but what I'm saying is, excessive drinking, ganun. Pero example, lagi silang nag-aaway kahit anong issue, maliit na issue. For you, pag laki mo, you think that's normal. So, when you enter in a relationship, tapos yun din yung nangyayari, for you, that's just normal. So, yeah. So, isa din sa titingnan mo din sa tao, no, is the background, yung ano yung relationship niya with the family at saka yung family din.
Cool.
Importante.
Right.
Exact.
Go, Ives.
Next question.
Mm.
Okay, sino matag number
5.
5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dun, 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 dun. If every human came with a warning label, what would yours say?
Oh,
Red flag pa rin.
yun.
Anong question?
Pen, ikaw muna, Pen.
Naku po.
Ulitin
Ano
mo
ba?
ba?
Warning label for myself?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Maybe harmful? Harmful?
Why?
Bakit?
Maybe I'm just a fighter, not
Yun.
just physically, but also mentally, emotionally. Parang gano'n, parang
Yeah.
palaban sa buhay. Ano man ang
Pati
nangyayari.
pati sa pag-ibig, Pen.
Pati sa pag-ibig.
Oh,
Kaya niya daw ipaglaban dun.
fighter.
Yes. Yeah,
Nash.
harmful.
Kuan, kung may warning label man is pag ang isang tao or isang girl merong asukal de papa.
Ah,
Stay away.
Stay away kagid. Bisan
No
gano'n mo
to
kagustuhan
sugar daddy.
isang,
Ay! Hashtag.
Nash ban.
Attorney.
me? Ano ba ang warning label ko man? Nag-iisip. Ano ba?
Parang it's hard to
Ano ba to?
describe.
Love life o ano?
Bahala
when
ka.
When it comes to love life, ano ba ang warning label ko?
red flags na isipin
Actually,
mo,
wala
red
nang
flags.
warning kay attorney. Tamaan ka talaga agad.
Tamaan ako, matamaan ka. Ang galing.
Matamaan ka.
Yung red flag ko kasi kapag matiisin kasi ako.
Ayun.
As in
High
super,
tolerance.
oo, pasensyosa. As in, higpitan ko talaga yung PC hanggang sa maputol.
Ayun.
Siguro,
Alam ko ng
kapag-
warning sign nito ni attorney. Nakakasakal.
PC.
Joke na.
pwede. Kapag nagmahal ako sobra.
Yun.
Ganon.
Oh.
Walang tinitira sa sarili. Ganong mga
Ayun.
levels.
Heavy.
Yan ang warning. When it comes sa general naman, be careful. Be careful. Be careful talaga sa akin. Kasi once na nawala mo yung trust at saka yung respect, wala talaga. I can be plastic. Ganon. I can be plastic.
Kakatakot naman
In
si
a way
attorney.
na
Uy, huwag mong
in a
takutin,
way na
manligaw mo.
civil.
Oo.
Pagiging civil na lang ako sa'yo, wala na akong pake. Ganon.
Ayun guys ha, yung mga guys na marunong maglaba at saka
Leto.
Ivy.
Ganon ang red flag ko talaga pag sa friends.
Yeah. For me, pag sa love life ko is warning, unattached.
Yun.
Unattached.
Yeah.
Hindi dumidikit.
Tapos, kapag sa life naman, be careful, sumasabog.
Yun.
Agay.
Tatamaan ka talaga.
EJ.
Isa lang, stay away.
Ayun. Tinataboy mo lahat.
Pero dude, stay away, I mean in a good way and in a bad way. Kumbaga, in a good way, stay away. Baka unti-unti na ako mahulog sa'yo.
Yun.
Aww.
In, in a bad way, pag naiinis ako sa'yo, just stay
Stay
away.
away.
Stay away.
Ako
Parang
naman
radioactive.
ako naman
Yours.
yung warning label ko handle with care.
Iyon.
Oy, fragile.
Ah,
Fragile.
Kasi ako ingatan mo lang ako, iingatan din kita.
Amen.
Sure.
Crazy.
Next question, guys. Next question.
Ay, number.
Okay, sinong bibigay ng number?
12.
12.
1, 2, no, Jacob, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ang iyong kapalaran. Uy, okay. It's your final 24 hours on Earth. You're in great shape and have limitless funds. What do you do?
Sige, sino
It's
mauna?
your final
Pen.
24 hours on Earth.
Oh,
You're in great shape and have limitless funds. What do you do?
Ako, siguro, well, kung you are in great fund, baka nagawa mo na rin sigurong mag-donate sa mga charity, ganyan-ganyan. So, doon tayo sa ibang perspective. Siguro, wala akong gagawin. Papasalamat na lang. Papunta ako sa isang lugar na pinaka-favorite ko, like nature, sa sunset, ganyan. And then, diyan ko na lang spend ang aking remaining hours.
Solitude.
Like in peace, serenity, and
Yes.
everything
Yeah.
else.
Nash.
Cool.
Ako siguro kung meron na akong SO niyan,
Yun.
spend time with her, or kung meron man mga family, isang buong family, spend more time with them. Yun talaga sa akin, para sa akin na kung yun lang na titirang 24 hours.
Yun. Attorney.
If ngayon ay
Oh.
yung last 24 hours, siguro una, aamin ako sa crush ko.
Sige nga. Let's assume this is the last 24 hours.
Yep.
How would you say it and what will you say?
Who will you say it? To whom will you say it?
No.
Secret. Basta, una,
Initials.
aamin ako sa
Ano
Initials.
lang,
crush ko.
pag
Syempre,
pag-upload namin
no,
lang.
no.
No.
Initials.
Oh,
Like,
basta,
kunyari
aamin
kaharap.
ako sa crush ko.
Aha.
Okay.
Pangalawa, syempre yung charity, maghahabilin ako ng pera kung sino ang may needs. Siguro magdo-donate ako sa kung marami akong pera, magdo-donate ako sa isang school, yung madrasa. Kasi yun ang isa sa parang regret ko, yung hindi ako nakapag-school ng madrasa. Yung Arabic
Okay.
school. So, yun. Hanggang grade 3 lang talaga ang Arabic ko before. So, ngayon nakalimutan ko na. So, yun. Kasi most ng mga madrasa, hindi sila capable of yung sa mga base, sa mga nakita ko, hindi naka-aircon. Yung okay na sa kanila yung simpleng building lang, ganyan. And siguro magpapatayo ako ng mosque. Tapos, yun, spend quality time with loved ones. Yun.
Ivy.
Yun.
Mine would be telling those people I love that I love them and thank them for existing, for coming sa life ko. Second would be, babayaran ko lahat ng utang ng gobyerno.
Sure.
Committed funds eh. Go ahead.
Third would be, lahat ng tao, equal na lang lahat. I will provide yung lifetime nila na health and life insurance.
Yeah.
Fourth would be, magpapaulan ako ng pera, bonus nila yon. Fifth would be, spend time with my immediate family. and my parents. And last would be to have an alone time with me and God, and then wait for that last second until until mag-end na yung 24 hours. I just
Yun.
wanted to with me and my God, yun lang.
Amen. EJ.
Amen.
Me. Mahilig kasi ako kumain eh. So for the next 24 hours, I'll just go out, buy the best food.
Yun.
Multi-cuisine.
The last meal.
The last meal. Ayun.
Parang
And
isi-Celia
then-
Electrica ka, no? You can choose the best meal.
Yeah.
Ibig
Ayun.
sabihin, mafu-food coma ka.
Ayun, better
At least,
better
diba?
At
oh,
least.
at least I had fun already.
Yeah.
Speaking
Hindi
of
po
meal,
ako
ano
namatay sa
yung
gutom.
pinaka-last?
Yeah.
Ano yung pinaka-last? Speaking of meal, yung para sa'yo, the last meal would be, ano?
Yeah.
Last.
Last meal, bulalo.
Wow.
Ulala.
Grabe no, napaka-common pero
Last
wala lang.
meal.
Na-miss ko siguro.
Attorney, last meal.
Piyapara na manok. Naluto ng nanay ko.
Yun.
Mm.
Ikaw, Nash.
Enjoy.
Chicken
Chicken joy.
Chicken joy.
Jollibee.
Bakit?
Jollibee.
Bida ang saya.
Ives.
Anything na luto ng nanay ko. And if pwede, luto ng tatay ko. If kayang ibigay sa akin ni Lord.
Yun, no?
Yun.
Oo nga, no?
Ako naman, kasi service above self tayo. You donate all your
Yeah.
money. Yeah.
Yeah.
But my time, I will spend the last 24 hours with my family and those
That you
na
love the
dear
most.
sa akin.
Yeah.
Those I
We
love
all
the
do.
most.
We
Yeah.
all, kumbaga gusto gid na nato na. Yeah.
Yung common denominator talaga natin is serve above self.
Yeah.
What is living if you don't serve? Next.
Mm.
Next
What
question.
is it?
Yeah.
Ito lang. Pwede personal question in relation dito.
Sige.
Diba 24 hours?
Ah,
May question lang ni siya ha. Have you ever experienced na happy ka for 24 hours? Wala sang in between. happy.
nahin ko na ha. Yung happiness, if you talk about happiness na you are in a euphoria or you're in a cloud nine, siguro 24 hours wala. Kasi for me, baka high na high ka na nun naka-drugs ka siguro.
Exactly.
Nang wala
But-
gisang may nagasulod na problem good guys, like joyful ka lang in a way or like wala ka gid sang problem at all na ginamayan at that time.
24 hours, yeah, it happened. But, hindi, I don't call it happy, but meaningful. The
Meaningful.
Yes. So,
24 hours of your life. But given na, sometimes people who are introvert or marami talagang pumapasok sa isip mo na kung ano-ano. So,
Overloaded.
Yeah, you get overloaded, overwhelmed. Maingay utak natin.
Oo, yun.
That's the
Kayo
thing.
guys, ano sa inyo?
Mine kasi hindi ko siya ma-perfect, pero isa siya sa mga goal ko, like 24 hours kid. Mayara ako sang isa, pero wala ko kaabot sa 24 hours, mga 20 hours lang.
And actually, it's not like you can't be. Dira ko ma-realize na you can't be happy alone. Kay if you want to experience that meaningful 24 hours, it has to be with people.
yes.
Like
Oh.
na-experience ko na for the
Alien.
whole time.
Mm.
Yeah. Hindi, yeah, you can't do it alone. It has to be with
Mm.
someone, and it has to
Oh,
be
that makes
somewhere.
Kasi
Actually-
I was happy. I was spending my time outside.
Mm.
Tapos as in like, wala gid sang nag-interfere sa mind ko ba at all. Tapos
Yeah.
pagpuli ko na.
When you are
Ayun,
Ito
alone,
na nagbaralik.
that's when all the thoughts comes
Oh,
in.
it makes
Yeah.
sense.
24
Okay.
hours is a big hours.
Yeah.
It's not a fun.
24
Okay.
hours na happiness.
Mm.
24 hours happiness.
Kasi sa akin, it's a matter of choice.
Yep, isa na yan.
Oo.
You should
May
you should choose to be happy.
Yeah.
You should it
May,
has to be
may,
a decision.
may time kasi basta may point in time in my life na parang nag-shut off lang yung aking brain. Wala akong iniisip. Nakita ko lang si crush. Happy na ako the whole day. Hanggang pag-uwi. So, it's a person pa rin.
Nice.
something defines your happiness. You have to
Tama.
get that
Mhm.
something.
Yes.
Okay.
Ikaw, Nash.
Kahit mag-movie marathon ka ng 24 hours, maboard ka rin ng solid. So,
Exactly.
it's so useless kung you spend alone lang. Ako kung siguro let's say gaming ka for a day,
Mm.
pero
Kaya.
after pagpasok mo na ng sleeping time, doon na magpasok lahat ng overthinking. Tsaka ang guilty mo, bakit tayo naglaro for wala tayong ginawang productive.
Exactly.
So, it's a choice pa rin talaga, and it's hindi siya alone. Dapat with people pa rin talaga kung gusto mong maabot yung Cloud9.
Mm.
Pero I enjoy my alone time.
Same.
Oh, no.
Ah.
May mga tao gid man
You
yan.
should. Kasi if you cannot enjoy being alone, wala lang.
May saying wala lang, naubos na lang. May saying gani na most of our problems come because we refuse to sit alone.
Yes.
Wow. So,
For me, depende sa situation and also sa choice sa kung ano yung binavalue mo na happiness in your life. Also mag-base talaga sa situation talaga. Like for example, naka-help ka within 24 hours. So parang happiness na din yun siya for you. And then meron din na kung pinili mo maging masaya, magiging masaya ka talaga, or kung hindi, edi hindi.
Or
Yun lang.
pagpiliin mo ako, sasaya ako.
Yun.
Ay, speaking of happiness, dahil kaya nakaka-experience ako ng happiness kasi sometimes I just wala, parang shut off. Kung may problem na dumating, okay. Pag alam mo yung stoicism na
Stoicism.
mindset, yes. There are things you cannot control, but you can control how you react. So, ganun lang. Parang kung may problema, o di fine, hanapan ng solusyon. Kung masaya ako, okay, fine. Ganun, parang wala, minsan wala na akong care if somebody is pissing me off, bahala ka dyan, ganun. If you talk to me, I talk to you. If you don't talk to me, then fine.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Of course.
Question guys. Yung happiness ba or yung thoughts mo, is it being affected by your body health? Halimbawa,
Sometimes.
tanungin natin sila Penpen tsaka sila EJ.
Yes, actually sa akin. Yes. Nagkakaroon ako ng magandang dopamine pag tumatakbo ako. Parang nafe-feel ko mas masaya ako kung tumatakbo ako. Like, yung mga problems, nakakalimutan mo. Ganyan.
Tinatakbuhan mo lahat ng problema.
Although, hindi siya, parang hindi siya healthy in the way na kung gusto mo maging masaya, di tumakbo ka, ganun. Pero para sa akin, like, nagka-training ako, nagka-training, tumatakbo, nag-exercise, nag-gym, ganyan. Nafe-feel ko yung energy burst. Doon ako sumasaya. Nafe-feel ko yung energy na tumataas. Sumasaya ako. Yung napapagod ka, hiningal ka, ganyan.
Hormones.
Does it reduce anxiety?
Yes.
Yung mga
Oo.
physical exercise?
Nakaka-reduce talaga.
Sa akin naman, like actually I restarted my fitness journey after my heartbreak, no.
Oh.
So yeah. So when you say happiness, anxiety, like a slight depressive state, parang okay when you did your physical activities, mga exercises, and then ginawa mo siyang routine, it really helps na i-regulate yung emotion mo. Or regulated gid ang emotion mo. You're calm, you're focused, tapos hindi pa talon-talon emotions mo ba, like maisip mo siya or maisip mo na maisip mo lower ang self-esteem mo. It boosts self-esteem, isa pa yun.
Yun, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, physical exercise,
Yeah.
physical activities will help you sa mga emotions, mental clarity, mga mana.
Mm.
Yup.
It
Mindset.
also it also affect your mental, the way you deal with things.
Yep.
Especially if you develop consistency in your life sa training. Parang nakaka-affect siya sa daily life mo, how you deal things.
Question, sa mga tao na syempre office people, nakaupo more than 8 hours a day, saka mga busy, what are the exercises na pwede nyo masuggest?
Ako
And
kasi
then,
hindi ako mapirmi sa upuan ko kasi I work, siguro mag-focus ako sa isang memorandum or letter, ano pinapagawa sa akin dyan. Maya-maya tatayo ako, kuha ko ng tubig, or pag naisipan kong may kukunin pala ako na file sa ibang office, ako
Ah,
na mismo ang pupunta doon. Tapos mga around 4 o'clock, hahanap ako ng snack sa Rizal Park, mga ganon.
grabing
Just
exercise,
go.
maghanap ng
Yeah.
pagkain.
walking para maghanap ng
Masumutikan
pagkain.
nga yan.
Hindi, pero actually walking helps. That's like a
Yeah.
non-exercise. Yung when it comes to our metabolism, NEAR daw ang term sina. Kumbaga, I don't NEAR.
ER.
So I don't remember the full abbreviation, basta non-exercise A tapos R, something like that. So it can either be walking, going up the stairs, or like lifting, mga some objects.
Mm-mm.
So that makatulong yan sa I mean, if you're looking for some exercise. So gawin mo consistently. Kesa like ako makarelate ako like sitting in the office and all that. So yan.
And then
Small things matter.
kung wala talagang place to exercise or
Mm.
maglakad man lang na oras, a proper posture will do.
Yep.
The way you use computer,
Mm.
mag-study ka,
The way you
apply
walk.
proper posture. Yeah.
Dapat pag nagta-type ka, gumaganon-ganon.
Hindi
pwede
naman.
yun.
As long as you...
Galaw-galaw.
Meron din yung sa akin, sa relo ko, meron siyang, yung para malaman niya na, nag-upo ka na ng matagal. So, ni-set ko siya sa every 1 hour, mag-standing up.
Yung mga smartwatch ngayon, merong mga mumurahing smartwatch na nagka-count ng steps mo, di ba? How many steps yung kailangan natin everyday? 10,000 ba?
10,000.
8,000 sa girls.
8,000.
8,000 to 10,000. So, yun. So, at least, you keep it up. At least, ma-monitor mo yung heart rate mo. Tsaka, pero effective ba pag nakikita mo si crush mo, tumataas talaga yung heart rate?
Yeah.
Yes. The heart rate increases.
Biglang na yung blush on, nagiging mas blush on.
So, yun
Hindi,
pala
tsaka
yung
like if somebody is looking na tumakbo and thinking that running is the only exercise you can do, yung 8,000 to 10,000 steps na yan is a start. So just get 8,000 to 10,000 steps. It also burns kahit paano.
It also gives you dopamine boost, di ba? Kasi parang may nahihit ka na target and then you want more. So start with the easy things, no, na kaya mo.
Yeah, and it's not always the big things, pwedeng the small things like basta lakad ka lang. Instead of using the elevator, use the stairs. Kunyari, 1 floor, 2 floors lang naman ang lakpan mo.
Or sabi nga ni attorney, maghanap ka ng pagkain.
Yeah.
Yan din ang ginagawa ko dati.
Maghanap ng pagkain.
Kapag every alas 3, bili tayo balulong, lakarin natin. Or tayo tricycle, sayang pera.
Or puntahan mo yung opisina ni crush mo.
Ang layo ng office niya.
Exercise.
30 minutes away.
Good din yan for mental health. Ganon.
Yep, exactly.
Meron lang ako share sa inyo nung kahapon ako. Tama yung sabi nila EJ pati ni Penpen. Ito nakita ko sa TikTok habang self-reflection ako. Ito kasi yung kapag may ADHD ka man o wala, what makes it worse? So, number one, sabi niya, not exercising. So, tama yung sabi nila EJ ni Penpen na kapag hindi ka nag-exercise, yung dopamine mo hit low. So, yung stagnant ka sa buhay, marami kang iniisip, marami kang ganyan. Kasi na-experience ko yan siya nung this year lang, after nung na-reject ako nung February. naputol yung buong exercise is important. So, tapos na, ulit na naman.
So ano, pag binasted ka, takbo ka lang ng takbo until you forget everything.
Takbuhan mo.
Pero ngayon, nung last rejection ko, at least na parang yun, natauhan ako. So, dapat kailangan pala balik tayo fitness, balik tayo sa mga healthy stuff. So, yun. Then, pangalawa is using social media too much. So, very bad na mag-binge ka, scrolling, unlimited scrolling sa bahay, yung mga ganyan. So, as much as possible, iwasan maging tutok sa social media. Then, third, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, diet.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually sa fitness, kung anyone wants to start sa fitness journey, it doesn't start in the gym. Sa kusina, ginagawang-pisa.
Kami guys,
It's
may ginagawa
changes.
kami, low carb, intermittent fasting. So
Intermittent fasting.
iniiwasan namin yung yung mga high carb, kanin, pandesal, bread. Focus kami sa protein food. So search nyo yan siguro. Tapos we're doing intermittent fasting din. Even sa religion, para di ba advisable din yung mag-fasting. So actually maganda siya kasi dati always ako inaantok. Kasi kumakain ako ng carbs, yung kape ko sobrang tamis, yung mga 3-in-1 ganun. But when I started low carb intermittent fasting, nawala yung antok ko.
Yeah. You're energetic.
To the point na hindi ako makatulog, lahat ng problema pumapasok na sa ulo ko. Kaya kumain ako ulit para makatulog.
Punong-puno.
Sa law school, ganyan, kain ka ng kain, tapos lang, pasok na yung problema.
What do you serve pag breakfast? For example lang, give me like meal niyo.
Eggs, bacon, cauliflower, ganun. Hindi siya, kailangan mo din ng meat kasi hindi ka madaling hindi siya you're taking ketones instead of carbs. Kasi yung pag sobra ka ng carbs, ang ginagawa ng body mo is actually how to fight that, kino-convert niya, kino-convert niya into sugar. Ganun.
Yep.
So
i-store niya muna.
I-store niya. Kino-convert niya as fat, ganun, kaya tumataba ka. But you can read more about that. I'm not really an advocate ng LCIF, but it works.
Kapag search mo yung insulin resistance, doon niya explain kung ano nangyayari sa sobrang sugar, bakit nagiging turn to fat siya. Kapag ma-understand mo yun, ma-understand mo na rin yung paano ka yung diet mo.
Yeah, kasi
hindi ako
due to my PCOS.
Actually, isa sa diniscuss ng LCIF doctor is about the PCOS. And how, Tsaka hindi ako madaling magutom. Yun din napansin ko. Tsaka ang mahal na ng bigas ngayon. Hindi pa siya bumaba ng 20 pesos.
70 pesos na rice per kilo.
So, no rice diet.
No,
low carb.
Pero pag masarap ang luto ni nanay.
Sorry.
Alright, sorry. Let's go, rice.
Sorry, diet.
Kung i-research nyo, ang isang 1 cup of rice is around 140 carbs.
And it's also equivalent to 12 teaspoons of sugar. So pag nagto 2 cups of rice ka every meal, 24 na yan. 1 cup. So 24 teaspoons na yan. So in 3 meals a day, nakaka 2 cups of rice ka. Ilan? 24 times 3? 72 teaspoons.
72 teaspoons.
So, kung hindi ka nakakatakbo ng yung required amount, at least na the least required amount, hindi mo ma-burn yung whole na kinain mo sa one day.
Ako gani, like people question bakit ako may mga breads kung umaga sa breakfast ko. Kay as an endurance athlete, ubus lahat yan eh. Like
Oh.
we need all that energy. So kahapon, I took more carbs than protein. More carbs, less fat, a little bit of protein. Yun. So lahat ng carbs na yun naubos. Like in a day, naka 4,200 calories ako. So, di ba?
Ako naman,
So it's like balance lang. So we understand sa mga hindi naman nag-exert that much. Mas effective gid man abi ang low carb in
Yeah.
overall health.
Ako kay intermittent fasting. Tapos, no meals after 6. Kasi usually, pag galing work, uuwi ako, antok na. Kasi ako introvert. Throughout the day, ang dami kong kausap, ang dami kong kailangan tapusin. Pag uwi ng bahay, sure, ang social
Battery
Low
mo.
battery ko very, very low. So, instead na kakain ako, tinutulog ko na lang. Tapos, I don't deprive myself of what I want to eat. Kasi the more I deprive myself, the more ko
Nakaka-depress.
siya kine-crave, the more nade-depress ako. So, yung cravings ko talagang hanapin ko siya. Kapag nahanap ko yung crave ko, kain naman ako ng kain.
Yun.
So, pag gusto kong kumain ng ice cream, ano lang, minimum amount, tikim-tikim, yarn. Pero hindi
Ayun.
maiwasan, may day talaga na cheat days, yung gusto ko lang
Yeah.
kumain na kumain.
Actually, though namin man ganyan cheat days kay para sa ako na it feels na nakaka-boost ng mood kahit papano. Kay naga-intermittent fasting man ko. So ang intermittent fasting may term nga ginatawag na hangry ka, di ba? So for the whole week, may points in time na hangry ka gid. So pag weekend, cheat day, just to feel good.
Tapos trivia, bawal pag yun ako coffee. 8 years na ako no coffee.
Huh?
Bakit?
Yes. When I was a law student pa, 3 days ako nasa hospital because of palpitations. Naka 3 cups of coffee ako in one sitting with chocolates. So, grabe
So-
ang caffeine.
Si Crush na lang yung nagpapapalpitate ngayon.
Yeah.
Yeah, yun na lang. Buhay na ang dugo.
I tried to go back to coffee, pero nung bumalik ako ng coffee, there was a time na parang isang sip lang, sumakit ang tiyan ko. So,
Acid
no na
reflux.
talaga. No na talaga. Ayun. So, matcha lang. Yung mga drinks na less caffeine. Matcha. Pero mahilig pa rin sa Coke. May caffeine din yung Coke.
Caffeine and
So,
sugar.
Yes.
Ayun guys, so overtime na tayo and let's continue our discussion next weekend. And thank you
Yeah.
everyone sa ating mga
Thank
guests and
you.
friends.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sana ma-invite
Thank you.
ulit.
Good time.
Everyone is invited. Thank you very much. At dito sa atin, walang
Walang
awayan.
awayan.
Love, love,
Love,
love.
Goodbye guys.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Goodbye,
Good
guys.
night.
Bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.